1923। For which of the following reason Swaraj Party founded in India? Withdrawal of non-cooperation movement by Mahatma Gandhi, entering in the council and resection the Government of India's Act of 1999 by Don't Let Them Work. Who among the following resigned from the presidency of Congress for making Swaraj Party? C.R. Das. Swaraj Party was formed after the failure of non-cooperation movement. Swaraj Party was formed following the failure of non-cooperation. Swaraj Party formed by C.R. Das और मोतीलाल नेहरू. Established of Swaraj Party 1923. C.R. Das और मोतीलाल नेहरू. स्वराज दल C.R. Das और मोतीलाल नेहरू. Swaraj associated with the Swaraj Party. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. Found Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das in 1923 Swaraj Party. Motilal Nehru and leader of Swaraj Party. Who of the following? C.R. Das. Who of the following was not in the party? C. Rajagopalachari. Not associated with the Swaraj Party. Rajendra Prasad. Who established Swaraj Dal in Bihar? Sri Krishna Singh. Who chose the chronological order? Lucknow Pact 16, जालियांवाला बाग मैसेकर 1919, डेथ ऑफ बाल गंगाधर तिलक 1920, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्वराज पार्टी 1923. स्वराज पार्टी इन सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इन प्री इंडिपेंडेंट. मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना known as देशबंधु चित्तरंजन दास. फेमस स्लोगन स्वराज शुड बी for common people, not only for classes. C.R. Das. When Congress leader condemned the Montego Chelmsford report, many moderate left the party to form Indian Liberal Federation. Congress took a critical stand over the Montfort reform in 1918, which led to break up the old moderate remnants Sapru, Jayakar and Chintamani. Indian National Liberal Federation. Who among the following decided to launch the Independent Liberal on 19 दिसंबर 1922? मदन मोहन मालवीय और मोतीलाल नेहरू. फर्स्ट इंडियन स्पीकर इन द सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली वित्तल भाई जे पटेल. द नेशनल लीडर हु was elected president सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली in 1925. वित्तल भाई पटेल. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली in अगस्त 1985. वित्तल भाई पटेल. साइमन कमीशन 1927. साइमन कमीशन विजिटेड इंडिया 1928. विच कमीशन concepted the discontent in all the political group and parties for not associating any Indian member. Simon Commission. India decided against the arrival of Simon Commission because there was no Indian member in Simon Commission. Simon Commission was appointed in 1927. Simon Commission in 1928 came to India with the purpose of to consider administrative reform. Simon Commission 1927 boycotted because there is no Indian member in the commission. Simon Commission belonged to Liberal Party. Sir John Simon, on whose suggestion Indian kept out of the Simon Commission. Lord Irwin. Congress boycotted the Simon Commission. Simon Commission did not have a single Indian member. True about the Simon Commission, appointed to inquire into the working of 1919 Act, headed by John Simon, recommended a federal form of government. It was opposed by the Indian leader. Simon Commission recommendation. Which one of the following statement is correct? It recommended a replacement of diarchy with the responsible government in the province. Reference of Simon Commission. To visit to India. It made to visit to India. Lala Rajpat Rai was injured in Lathi charge in protest to Simon Commission. Punjab Kesari conferred Lala Rajpat Rai. Protest led by Lala Rajpat Rai was organized in Lahore in 1928 against Simon Commission. Simon Commission did not have a single Indian member in it. Nehru report was prepared by Motilal Nehru. Who among the following had demanded first dominion status for India? Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru and Jayakar, with reference to period of Indian freedom struggle recommended by Nehru Report. Joint electorate for reservation of seat for minorities, provision of fundamental right for the people of India in the constitution. Who amongst the following was responsible for the formation of independence of Indian League in 1928? Subhash Chandra Bose, Acharya Narendra Dev and Jayaprakash Narayan. Nehru Report was drafted by the committee headed by the subject was Motilal Nehru or constitutional arrangement in India. Muslim League M.A. Jinnah put forth his 14-point proposal 1929. Radical wing of the Congress Party with the Jawaharlal Nehru as one of its main leaders founded the Independence for Indian League in opposition to Nehru Report. President of All Parties Conference held in February 1928. M.A. Ansari. Lahore session of Congress proposal of complete independence 1929. Ahmedabad session Maulana Hasrat Mohani Swaraj as complete independence from all type of foreign control. Ahmedabad session Maulana Hasrat Mohani defines Swaraj. C.R. Das elected president of Ahmedabad session 1921. Kolkata session Congress 1928. पूर्ण स्वराज लाहौर सेशन 1929. इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एट बैंक ऑफ रावी रिवर जनवरी 26 जनवरी 1930. पूर्ण स्वराज कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस पूर्ण स्वतंत्र संविधानता दिवस 26. देयर इज लाहौर सेशन. देयर इज नो बेनिफिट फ्रॉम राउंड टेबल रिनाउंसिएशन ऑफ डोमिनियन स्टेटस. What Swaraj means complete all India civil disobedience movement when deemed during the Indian freedom struggle. Who among the following proposed that Swaraj should be defined as complete independence free from all foreign control? Maulana Hasrat Mohani. Who among the following leader proposed to adopt complete independence as the goal of Congress in the Ahmedabad session of 1921? Hasrat Mohani. Proposal of independence of India for first time 1929. In which session Congress was Purn Swaraj resolution passed? Lahore session. INC passed complete independence 1929 Lahore session. 26 जनवरी was पूर्ण स्वराज डे. पूर्ण स्वराज डे 1929. पूर्ण स्वराज डे 26 जनवरी 1930. Who among the following was president of INC? Resolution of Purn Swaraj was passed. Jawaharlal Nehru. Purn Swaraj in Lahore session of Congress 1929. Jawaharlal Nehru. Indian flag at the midnight of December 31, 1929. Jawaharlal Nehru. Newly adopted tricolor flag of freedom first hosted 31 December 1929. Who raised the flag independence at the Congress session of 1929? Jawaharlal Nehru. Indian Congress were presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru for the first time. Lahore session 1929. Lahore session INC 1929 is very important for history because Congress passed a resolution demanding complete independence. Lahore session of INC 1929. Jawaharlal Nehru president. 1929 Simon Commission INC is of significance in history for freedom because of the attainment of Purn Swaraj was adopted as the goal of Congress. Purn Swaraj declared for Lahore session 1929. Purn Swaraj first time declared Lahore session. President of Lahore session INC 29 Jawaharlal Nehru. Not included in the resolution of Lahore session of Congress 1929. Abolition of untouchability, declaration of Indian foreign policy, declaration of complete independence, preparing to launch CDM. All India Congress whenever it's considered appropriate and can start CDM. Congress annual session in 1927. This session passed by a resolution against sending Indian Army to fight war in China and Japan. In this session, resolution of Purna Swaraj was adopted. Purna Swaraj resolution adopted at the Lahore session of INC, moved by Jawaharlal Nehru. CDM लाहौर सेशन 1929 में कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी स्टार्ट CDM फरवरी 1930 कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी का सेकेंड मीटिंग साबरमती आश्रम में महात्मा गांधी गिवन लीडरशिप ऑफ दिस मूवमेंट 12 मार्च 1930 को दांडी मार्च स्टार्ट हुआ गांधी जी के थ्रू साबरमती से दांडी तक। सत्याग्रह 12 मार्च से हुआ था, 24 दिन तक चला था और 5 अप्रैल 1930 को ख़त्म। गांधी जी ऑन 6 अप्रैल एट दांडी ब्रोक, 24 दिन बाद 6 अप्रैल को दांडी पहुंच गए थे 5 अप्रैल को। लंप ऑफ साल्ट एट दांडी एंड सिंबॉलिक एक्ट। सुभाष चंद्र बोस कंपेयर दिस मार्च विद द मार्च ऑफ नेपोलियन फ्रॉम इल्वा टू पेरिस। इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर एडिटर कैन एन एम्पायर बी अनसीटेड बाय द बॉइलिंग सी वाटर इन केटल। In Tamil Nadu, C. Rajagopalachari started the Salt March from Tiruchenpulli to Bedrayam. 5 April 1930 Gandhi ji reached Dandi, addressed foreign reporter as well as Indian reporter and said, I want world sympathy in this battle, right against might. 5 May 1930 Gandhi ji arrested before a planned raid of Congress workers at धरसाना साल्ट वर्क गोदाउन, यरबदा जेल। अब्बास तैयब जी लीडर ऑफ मूवमेंट आफ्टर गांधी जी अरेस्ट। सरोजनी नायडू बिकम द लीडर। अब्बास तैयब जी अरेस्ट हो गए तब। सरोजनी नायडू धरसाना साल्ट गोदाउन। अमेरिकन रिपोर्टर बेबर मिलर इस सबको मेंशन किया है। रेड शर्ट खुदाई खिदमतगार इंसिडेंट वेब मिलर इन नॉर्थ वेस्ट प्रोविंसियल Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan found a organization Khudai Khidmatgar Red Shirt organized emphasized on national unity and also organized movement against the British colonial policy and demanded improvement. Muslim of Northwest Frontier CDM Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan Garhwal Rifles under the leadership of Chandra Singh Garhwali Tribal of Manipur CDM में लीडरशिप गैधीन लियू और नागा ट्राइबल वुमेन मूवमेंट लेड बाई हरजोइया तरंग मूवमेंट 1930। आफ्टर CDM गांधी जी फोकस ऑन क्रिएटिव प्रोग्राम। 17 सितंबर 1934 गांधी issued a public statement announcing his resignation from Congress. October 1934 गांधी जी officially retired from active politics to devote all his time in the upliftment of Harijan. सितंबर 1932 गांधी जी फाउंडेड ऑल इंडिया अनटचेबिलिटी लीग एंड इन 1933 वीकली न्यूज़पेपर हरिजन। विच कांग्रेस सेशन वर्किंग कमेटी ऑथराइज्ड टू लॉन्च CDM लाहौर began with the Dandi March CDM. Date of 6 April 1930 well known in the diarchy because date is associated with the दांडी मार्च बाई गांधी जी। दांडी मार्च अंडरटेकन इन 1930। दांडी मार्च बिगिन 12 मार्च 1930। गांधी जी स्टार्टेड दांडी मार्च फ्रॉम साबरमती फ्रॉम विच आश्रम डिड गांधी स्टार्टेड दांडी मार्च साबरमती आश्रम। 1930 महात्मा गांधी स्टार्टेड CDM दांडी। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोविंस हैड हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ सत्याग्रह इन महात्मा गांधी गुजरात। महात्मा गांधी दांडी मार्च गुजरात। अल्टीमेट गोल ऑफ गांधी जी साल्ट सत्याग्रह प्रोहिबिटेड इंडियन फ्रॉम कलेक्टिंग और सेलिंग साल्ट सत्याग्रह टू ब्रेक द साल्ट लॉ एंड curtailing government power, also putting pressure on the repeal of salt law. Participated in salt satyagraha of गांधी सरोजनी नायडू और कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय, राजकुमारी अमृत कौर। Which of the following movement women participation is considered to be maximum? साल्ट सत्याग्रह। Mahatma Gandhi started CDM from Dandi. CDM was started with the Dandi March. Dandi March was started to break the salt law, support the salt law, break the salt law. How many days Dandi March last? 24 दिन. Dandi March associated with the violation of salt law. Which event occurred first? Dandi March 12 मार्च 1930. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट 9 अगस्त 1942. अराइवल ऑफ साइमन 3 फरवरी 1928. गांधी इरविन 5 मार्च 1931. अप्रैल 6 1930. इंडियन हिस्ट्री. दांडी मार्च ऑफ महात्मा गांधी. साल्ट एजिटेशन was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930. Which reference of the CDM correct? Mahatma Gandhi not punished for violating salt law. पनिशमेंट हुआ, जेल गए थे. मदन मोहन मालवीय, देवदास गांधी एंड KM मुंशी were punished for violating the salt law. I want wonder sympathy. Gandhi ji Dandi March. Sedition was become my religion was the famous statement by Gandhi ji at the time of publicly violating salt law at Dandi. Not correct about Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi ji prepared salt at the seashore. नहीं. Started Sabarmati, terminated at Dandi, village beside the sea. All together a pedestrian march. Coastal town Dandi. Not correct about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi march. मार्च स्टार्टेड 15 मार्च को नहीं 12 मार्च को. अरेस्टेड गांधी जी ड्यूरिंग द साल्ट सत्याग्रह विच टुक प्लेस एज द लीडर ऑफ मूवमेंट. अब्बास तैयब जी. महात्मा गांधी when the raid was made by the Congress volunteer and Darsana Salt in Yerbada jail. Acharya Vinoba arrested for the first time for taking part in CDM. Gandhiji stayed the foreign journalist in his Sabarmati ashram during Dandi March. He was Babe Miller. Name of the foreign journalist who reported Satyagraha at Darsana Salt. Babe Miller. American was with Mahatma Gandhi during the Dandi March. Babe Miller. Organized a march on the Tanjore coast to break salt law in April in 1930. C. Rajgopalachari. During the Indian freedom struggle, Khudai Khidmatgar, also known Red Shirt, called for the Pathan regional nationalist unity and the struggle against colonialism. Red Shirt organization was founded to throw out the Britishers. Red Shirt movement was Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan, who organized Khudai Khidmatgar in 1929. Abdul Ghaffar Khan, soldier of Garhwal regiment, refused to fire on revolutionary in CDM, whose name is associated with Peshawar incident of 1930. Veer Chandra Singh Garhwali. Jaitarang movement started in Manipur. Agitation against Chowkidari tax in Begusarai was CDM. Salt Satyagraha in Bhagalpur, Kumar Mishra. During the Salt Satyagraha in Bihar, in addition to making salt law, the people chose to oppose the government by opposing which tax? Chowkidari tax. After the failure of CDM, Gandhiji gave importance to constructive work program. When was Dr. Radha Bai arrested while leading position in the second CDM? 13 जून 1932. Parvavati Devi was the freedom fighter of which field? Patna. Gandhi Irwin Pact. Viceroy Irwin Gandhiji from jail on release 26 जनवरी 1931. Increasing influence of CDM. Talks between Gandhi and Irwin on February 1931. Effort of Tej Bahadur Sapru और MR Jayakar. Gandhi Irwin Pact signed 5 मार्च. Sarojini Naidu termed Irwin and Gandhi two Mahatma. Under the leadership of Gandhi, Congress decided to withdraw the CDM. All political prisoners who had convicted violence were released. Right to peaceful protest at the shop of foreign clothes and liquor shop. Permission to make salt in coastal state without salt tax. Congress agreed to participate in second roundtable conference. People were disappointed by the fact it did not include communication of death sentence of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev or Rajguru. Biographer of Irvin, Alan Campbell Johnson, termed benefit to Gandhi in Gandhi-Irvin Pact. Only surrendered of Irvin agreeing to enter into negotiation. Famous in Gandhi-Irvin Pact take place in 1931. The main purpose of Gandhi-Irvin Pact was to make participation of Congress easier in roundtable conference. Gandhi-Irvin Pact included which of the following? Invitation to Congress to participate in roundtable conference, withdrawal of ordinance promulgated in the connection with the CDM, a release of only those prisoners who were not charged with violence. Gandhi-Irvin Pact signed in 1931. Gandhi-Irvin Pact signed in 1931. Second roundtable conference in London was held in the backdrop of the Gandhi-Irvin Pact. Among the following whose adjournment was proposed in Gandhi-Irvin Pact? CDM. Who played an important role in signing of Gandhi-Irvin Pact? Tej Bahadur Sapru. Who played mediator of Gandhi-Irvin Pact? Tej Bahadur Sapru. Irvin and Gandhi to Mahatma Sarojini Naidu. Mahatma Gandhi gained in the Gandhi-Irvin Pact consolation prizes. Alan Campbell Johnson.